Today we're going to look at the Leeds City Schools website, and what we will focus on is how to navigate the website if you are a parent and are looking for information on activities and events that are happening in your child's school that is within the Leeds City Schools system. All right, first you're going to go to the main website. You can get there by typing in the address bar Leeds City Schools in Alabama, or you can type www.leedsK12.org/home, and it'll take you to this web page right here. All right, next, what you will do on that front page, you can find the academic calendar, but if you really want to get some more specific information, what you'll do is go over here to resources and click on the parent resources tab, and it's going to take you to even more information that will be vital for your benefit or your child's benefit. Okay. Across the top, we have the Alabama Schools Department of Education website, student services, and the extended day program. I will say that the extended day program does have a specific cutoff time. So if you want to sign your child up for the upcoming school year, then you can do so by assessing that information at this tab and maybe getting the number that's there. I'm not sure if it is, but it does give you the prices of everything. So contact the secretary or registrar at your child's school, and they can give you some more specific information on whether there is still room available to enroll your child. All right, we have the academic calendar, the student parent handbook right here. And this is the registration form for this present school year. Okay. Now, this school system is very big on anti-bullying, anti-cyberbullying, and things like that, such as harassment. So there are also forms for that as well. You can find that here, and as well as a whole lot of other files that are beneficial. Even a backpack tutorial on how a backpack should be worn to help your child's posture and to promote good balance. So lots of little goodies in here that you can look for if you are a parent. Thanks so much.